Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will do a quick revision of Business Economics Unit 1. In this video, we will solve the most important and expected exam questions together in a simple and easy way. So get ready to revise smartly and score your marks while doing these questions with me. Let's begin. First question is, the central problem of an economy arises because. Option C, resources are scarce. Economics is primarily the study of money, business, scarcity and choice, population. Option C, scarcity and choice. Which branch of economics studies individual units? Macroeconomics, public, micro, international economics. Answer C, microeconomics. While doing these questions, just score your marks. I repeat, just score your marks. Which branch of economics deals with national income and inflation? Option B, macroeconomics. Positive economics is concerned with ethical judgments, welfare, facts and analysis, suggestions. Option C, facts and analysis. Normative economics is related to facts only, value judgments, statistics, demand. Option B, value judgment is the right answer. Demand means desire for a commodity, need for a commodity, desire backed by purchasing power, purchase of goods. Option C, desire backed by purchasing power is the right answer. According to law of demand, when price increases, option B, demand will be decreased. A change in quantity demanded due to price change. A change in quantity demanded due to price change is called expansion and contraction of demand. Option B. Which of the following cause a shift in demand curve? Option B, change in consumer income is the right answer. Elasticity of demand measures. Answer C, responsiveness of demand to price change is the right answer. When elasticity of demand is equals to 1, demand is. Answer C, unitary elastic. It's unitary elastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand curve is. Option B, vertical. Supply refers to. Option B, quantity offered for sale. According to law of supply, option B, price and supply move in the same direction. Market equilibrium occurs when. Option C, demand equals to supply. Which of the following is a determinant of demand? All of the above. Which curve generally slopes downward from left to right? Option B, demand curve. Which curve generally slopes upward from left to right? Option C, supply curve. The problem of for whom to produce relates to. Option A, distribution of goods and services. Now tell me in the comment section how many questions did you answer correctly and what's your score. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more important exam revision videos. See you in the next video.